In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade in and fade out audio in Shotcut. We'll keep it simple and clear. You'll select your clip, add a fade-in filter, adjust its duration and type, then add a fade-out filter and fine-tune that as well. These two quick steps instantly make your audio sound more professional. Whether you're bringing in music under an intro or easing out a voiceover at the end, start by clicking the clip in your timeline that you want to soften at the beginning and at the end. Selecting the clip ensures Shotcut knows exactly where to apply the filters. Next, open the Filters panel and click the plus button to add a new filter. In the search bar, type Fade In and choose the audio version. Shotcut offers both audio and video fades, so make sure you pick Fade In Audio, so only the sound is affected. With the filter added, set the duration. Shorter durations give a quick, punchy start, while longer durations create a smoother, more gradual rise in volume. You can also choose the type or shape of the fade, which controls how the volume changes over time. Think of it as the curve of the fade. Some shapes start gently and ramp up, others feel more even. Pick what fits the mood of your track, then play a few seconds from before the start to hear how it blends with your visuals and any existing audio. When you're happy with the beginning, click the plus button in the Filters panel again and search for Fade Out Audio. Add it to the same clip. Just like before, adjust the duration and choose the type. Ask yourself how you want the end to feel. For dialogue, a shorter fade keeps the pacing tight and avoids sounding drawn out. For music, a slightly longer fade can feel more polished and less abrupt. Preview the final seconds of the clip to make sure you're not cutting off a word or an important musical beat. That's the entire process. Select your clip, add fade in audio, and set it, then add fade out audio and set it. If you need to tweak later, just click the filter in the panel and adjust the settings. Trust your ears and make small changes until the transitions feel natural. A good fade removes pops and harsh edges, gives breathing room to your edit, and keeps the overall volume consistent. If you found this walkthrough helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future editing tips.